All brands, all repairs. Computer repair by Friendly Computers. Whether it's an Acer laptop, a Dell product, or an Apple product, Friendly Computers can help with any laptop or desktop PC. Need help with software, configuration, backup, or repair? Friendly Computers can help. For internet access, connections, and networking, we can help with a wide variety of software and hardware connections. Friendly Computers can help you with your business accounting software, recovery of lost company files, installations, troubleshooting, and file sharing. Need help with a version of Windows? Friendly Computers has the knowledge and experience working with Mac OS as well as Windows. All brands, all repairs. Computer repair by Friendly Computers. Why call a geek when you can call a friend?